I forgot to mention one important feature. If you happen to have a second camera, you can easily connect it to this car head unit. Navigate to the settings and access the external video settings. From there, select the front camera. Now, you can effortlessly check your front camera through the camera app in the list of available applications. While most vehicles automatically display the rear view when shifting to reverse, what makes this Android head unit stand out is its remarkable ability to seamlessly switch to the connected front camera when transitioning from reverse to drive. This unique function enhances the overall experience with this Android head unit. I hope this brief yet crucial information helps you in choosing the right car head unit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Until the next video, stay creative and stay with SetNFix.